It's good to know some basic words, but why not advance them? Let's learn some advanced words over basic. Happy, cheerful, aesthetic. Sad, upset, melancholy. Angry, annoyed, furious. Big, large, enormous. Small, tiny, minuscule. Smart, intelligent, brilliant. Fast, quick, rapid. Slow, sluggish, lethargic. Good, great, exceptional. Bad, poor, detrimental. Walk, stroll, saunter. Look, glance, gaze. Speak, talk, articulate. Think, consider, contemplate. Make, create, construct. For more such videos, follow for more.